Hello guys, today we're going to test whether it's possible to, in some kind of automatic way, try to ask repo about something to gather information, and even is it possible to raise a pull request based on our prompt. We're going to do it just for sake of trying to, in next step of this project, build automation on top of Jira, which would automatically analyze the ticket, analyze the repo, and raise PR. First step here would be to try to utilize existing capabilities which Cursor allows us to do. Like here we have agents mode, which lives in a cloud. It has got access to our repo. So I feel, and I even test that already, but I would like to share with you findings. Yeah, let's see whether it's possible. So first, we could take a look into this repo. It's my old project, which I have been working on in recent months. I clearly see that this repo is an application written in Next.js and TypeScript. Let's try to use the CLI which I have built. Whole idea behind that would be, can we ask some question, right? So we have CLI command with ask method and the prompt, right? What framework repo use? List all programming languages it use. Yeah, we see that agent is running right now, so we are able to schedule task on their backend, right? And yeah, let's see the results. So we have, it's accurate. We have Next.js 15, TypeScript, JavaScript, CSS, some SQL is there, definitely. Right, it's accurate. Here at the Cursor website, we can check the whole history behind this request, right? So we're seeing that we ask about repo and programming languages, and we also see the response. If we are curious, we could also analyze the thinking process behind that. Cool. Okay, we could see that there is no pull request raised right now. We would like to try to raise one. So we can pass a prompt, create new API endpoint, which will return hello world string and today's date. So let's try that one. After some time, it could be approximately 2 minutes, maybe even less, we have a response, right? And we see that the request finished successfully. We have some brief description about file which was modified or created. We can refresh the PR page and we see that, yeah, here it is. PR was raised. We could see files changed, right? I believe that we also can more descriptively instruct agent to, document something or pass there some additional requirements, of course. So there is a huge job to do in case of, work on prompts, but in case of new LLM models release each week, I think we could be sure that it would have a great impact on developer efficiency. Thank you, guys.